Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the world of raster data format. Raster data format is a way to represent and store digital images and spatial data. In raster format, images are divided into small grids called pixels. Pixels are the building blocks of raster images, and each pixel contains information about its color or value. Raster data is commonly used in remote sensing, digital photography, and GIS applications. It is especially useful when dealing with continuous data such as elevation or temperature. Raster format allows for easy visualization and analysis of spatial data on a computer screen. Advantages of raster data include its ability to handle large datasets and represent complex features. One downside of raster format is its larger file size compared to vector data. Raster formats include popular file extensions such as JPEG, TIFF, GIF, and PNG. Each format has its own unique characteristics and compression methods. JPEG is commonly used for photographs, while TIFF is favored for high-quality imagery preservation. GIF and PNG are commonly used for graphics and images with transparent backgrounds. Raster data can be easily manipulated using software like Adobe Photoshop or GIS software like ArcGIS. These software tools allow users to edit, enhance, and analyze raster datasets. Common operations include cropping, resizing, adjusting colors, and extracting specific information. Raster format allows for the creation of detailed maps, satellite imagery, and digital elevation models. It is flexible and can be transformed into other formats such as vector or CAD files. Despite its advantages, it is important to consider the specific needs of your project when choosing a data format. In conclusion, raster data format is a powerful tool for representing and analyzing digital images and spatial data.